Hi. Now, Prime Minister Modi is on his tour to Poland and Ukraine. In Poland, definitely he will be meeting Tusk as well as Duda. Poland, a very friendly nation to India. I am optimistic that there will be some business deals. There might be some defense deals as well. And Prime Minister Modi is perhaps the first Prime Minister to visit that country after 4 decades, nearly after 4 decades. So I think it will be a good tour, and both the countries will get something out of it. As far as Ukraine is concerned, all eyes will be there on his tour of Ukraine when he will be meeting President Zelensky, and this is at a time when Ukrainian forces has done incursions in Russian sovereign territory, and I think he will be talking about peace. Definitely he will be talking about peace, because he has throughout this conflict talked about peace and to stop the war, but I don't think that India will be mediating between the two parties, because India's stance has been firm in various conflicts that if there has to be a resolution of any conflict, it has to be by sitting both the parties together and mutually discussing the things. What India can provide is the channels. India can provide channels for talks to both the countries, that is Russia as well as to Ukraine. India can also provide platform for their discussions, and that means a lot, because West cannot do it, especially when it comes to Russia, because there are no genuine channels left. There are channels, I'm not saying that there are no channels, but their relationship with Russia is very, very bad. This is what something India can do to provide channels of communication to the warring parties, that it was Russia as well as Ukraine. Definitely, I think there will be some aid giving to Ukraine, because Ukraine need aid, and India always give aid to wherever and whenever it can throughout the conflicts. So there will be some aid from India. There will be, I think, opening of channels of communication, and let's hope for the best.